Take up, put that on. Wait, life, ice skate. Surfing at a wrist car, 10 to pink toes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the tire totes. If you guys don't know what these are, right here on the picture, basically, they are tire covers for either storing your tires in your garage or transporting them to the track, and you need to put them in your car. You don't want to get your car filthy because sometimes when you're driving on some of these sticky rubbers, they tend to pick up a lot of shit on them, and when you throw them in the car, you're just throwing that shit around in your car. So I went ahead and picked these up off of Amazon for I think 50, 60 bucks, something like that. And I have a few friends that use them and say good things about them. So I went ahead and gave it a shot. Hope you guys like this video. It's my first unboxing, so hopefully I get to do some more unboxings in the future with you guys. But yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so here's one tire tote. And I have my tires in the garage actually in my track set that I'm going to throw these on to demonstrate how this actually works. But very nice quality as far as the contact patch of where your tire's going. This definitely looks like it's not going to have any trouble sliding around in my car, even with the interior stripped and it being straight metal. So that's legit. The side is made of some type of like plastic material. And it's got this stretchy band, and you'll see what the stretchy band is for. Basically, it wraps around your tire just like this. So let's head to the garage. Let's go check out how these go on the car, or sorry, on the tires, and how they load up in the car. All right, so we have the tire tote here. Right here in the corner, I have a couple 325, 30, 18 racing slicks. So it's pretty wide. I mean, you see, this is definitely not 325 wide. So we'll see how good of a fit this has on those big ass tires. So, let me go ahead and lift this tire up. Goes on just like that. You just throw it right in the back of your car. Let's see what it takes, what it looks like in the back of the car. Real quick, these guys also come with a lifting handle. If my tires weren't so big, it would probably work just fine. But when I lift up, it kind of tugs up on it, and I don't think it's really gonna work. These tires aren't so heavy to where I need to go ahead and use some type of lifting device. I can lift them up pretty easily thanks to the lightweight design of the apex and how lightweight these slicks are. So let's throw them in the back, check it out. So with the tire tote on the slick, you can take a look at the back side right there. It basically protects the rim as well. Sometimes my tires will go ahead and lean to one side or the other of the car, and they'll smack faces. This should help prevent any type of scuff marks or chips or any type of denting that may happen when those basically land on each other. Yeah, so pretty straightforward product, pretty solid product itself. These are the seasonal tire totes. I bought these from Amazon. I literally just searched tire tote, and these were the first options. So you can definitely see these will fit a big ass tire, even as wide as a 325. So if you got a truck, I don't think you have any issues getting those on any type of a truck tire. And You know, I've also seen my buddy with an E30 325i with some 15 by 8s, super tiny tires, and it fits just fine as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and quick little, I guess, thoughts and review on the tire tote. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. Other than that, take it easy.